So today I'll be showing you how to pair your Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones, the second generation, the new ones, to any smart TV. It could be a Samsung Smart TV, Sony, or Hisense, doesn't really matter, it's the same instructions. Now, first thing you want to do is go to your TV, make sure it's on, and turn on Bluetooth. Depending on what smart TV you have, the way to navigate to the Bluetooth settings could be slightly different, but go there to Bluetooth, and then for this Samsung, I'll just simply need to go to settings and then connections and then Bluetooth devices, and then now it's scanning for Bluetooth devices. So make sure your smart TV is scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to, and as it scans, you want to put your Bluetooth headphones, which is the Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones, in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, simply long press on this Bluetooth button for about 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. You're gonna see this light turn blue, and then it's gonna start blinking blue, and that's how you know they're in Bluetooth pairing mode. So let me press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's about 4 seconds. So you can see that light blinking blue. That means they're in pairing mode. So now if I go to my TV, and as it scans for Bluetooth devices to connect to, I'm gonna scroll down and see if my Bluetooth headphones have been detected. So I'll just be patient. Make sure the headphones are still in Bluetooth pairing mode. If they get out of Bluetooth pairing mode because they stayed for too long, just make sure you do that process again. Make sure they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. There you go. So you can see my Bose QC Ultra 2 headphones have been detected. I'll select them and then select pair and connect. And that's how you connect your Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 headphones to any smart TV. Now they're connected. You can just simply exit out of here. And these are the new sound output devices for my smart TV. Now, like I said, the instructions could be slightly different depending on the user interface of your specific TV. But generally, you want to go to Bluetooth devices. You want to go to Bluetooth settings on your TV, make sure it's scanning for Bluetooth devices, put the headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode, and then make your TV scan and search for them. Thanks for watching, and good luck.